currently I'm in Kentucky State. Right now, I'm doing my master's from a normal college. So, yep, I got here just 2 months when I graduated in 2019 back in India. So, yeah, the main motive for joining this training is just to understand the course content, what are the commitments that we'll be giving in this, getting in this training. So, what could be my outcomes, and so that's the reason I'm joining this training.
Okay. Next. So you are who gave the intro? What is your name?
Siddharth.
Siddharth. Okay. Yeah. Next, who is there? Can you hear me? I cannot hear anybody.
Yes, your voice is good. I can hear you clearly.
Yeah. So anybody else is there? Student?
Yeah, me.
Yeah, Archana. You are talking on mute, I think. Hello. Okay. Hello. Siddharth, can you hear me? I cannot
I can
hear
hear
anything.
you. I can hear you. I don't know
Yeah.
what the issues I'm facing with other candidates. I don't know.
Okay.
Mm, your voice is clear. There is no disturbance from your end.
Okay. Can you
Yeah.
hear what others are speaking? I
No.
cannot hear anybody.
Everyone are on mute. Everyone are on mute.
Okay. Who is the next student? Please unmute yourself and please give the introduction. Archana, please give your introduction.
Hi, good evening to people who are staying in US and good morning to the Indian people. Myself, Archana, I'm just completing my master's by tomorrow in Northwest Missouri State University. Yeah.
Great. So what brought you to this course?
My sister into this course, so she suggested me this. So I'm from civil background, so I just don't want to get into a complicated course. So she told me to take this course, which is easy.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Next, who is there? Pawan. Sadaf.
Hi, I'm Sadaf.
Yeah.
I have done engineering and MBA, and I have joined this training to learn more about data analysis or data science field.
Okay, great. Pawan. Surya.
Hi, my name is Surya. I recently completed my master's. And, I'm interested to learn data engineering and data science.
Okay, great. Sindhu.
Yeah. Hello, my name is 𝐬𝐬𝐭. I'm interested in data science, so I joined this course. Recently, I've been recently completing my master's in this December. Thank you.
Okay. Tanmay.
Hi, this is Sanmay. I'm currently in my last semester of my master's pursuing business analytics.
Great. So you have done masters in
Business analytics.
Okay, great. Ganga Reddy.
Yeah, I recently graduated. I done my master's in Lindsay in business management.
Okay.
Yep.
Anybody else left out? No, right? Okay. So let's start the course. The course is all about data engineering and data analytics. So here we will try to analyze. Today it's the first class. We will keep it low. Slowly we will learn about data analytics. So what is data analytics? So when we have a lot of data, we try to get some insights out of the data. Avinash, are you joining new? Okay, let him join. So data analytics is all about getting insights from the data. Say you have a data about think it in an Excel. So you have a data where you have the price of mangoes from 3 shops. Say shop A giving mangoes for 20 rupees. Let me show you in an Excel and let's deep dive into the data. Let me share my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen, Siddhant.
Yes, we can see you.
Yeah. See, for example, we have 3 shops and 3 of them sell apples. Okay. Apples in this winter season. Say, for example, we have shop named A, B, C. And price is say 100, 120, 90. Okay. Now, first we have to make this data look good. That's the first principle of a data analyst. So here say we are all trying to become a data analyst. We'll make the data look good. Then only it will say. So we have to make the data talk about itself. So here we have the data. Now this data, just by looking into it, we will not be able to say that which shop is good, right? So say for example, if we make it a point that more is the price, better will be the quality of the apple. So you can see that shop B sells at the more, so its price is more. That means its quality will be good, and we can take this shop for supplying the apples for our function. Okay. So also, if we make the bottom line as that less is the price, it's better for our budget. Then we will go back and see then which one is the less in price. We see it as 90. Now, can you see there is a tedious work we are doing while going into each line and seeing which one is greater. What we can else other than this do is that create a graph out of it and analyze the shops based on the graph. So for example, we take this and insert a graph out of it. Yeah, the screen is not visible. 1 minute. Yeah, just a minute. So here we are trying to understand, analyze the data. So the data is all about the shops and its prices, right? So for analysis, we will take the help of a graph. This is what data analysts do. They use different tools like Alteryx, Tableau, Excel, SQL to analyze the data for getting insights into the data. These are the various buzzwords like insights out of the data. What is the meaning of that? Like meaning of the data, getting some insight out of the data. Now we will use a graph. See, making this graph, it's so easy. If we have say 10 lines of this shop name and price, it would have been very difficult for us. Three only, it makes so little difficult, like going into the middle one is the, but creating this graph out of it, we can see. So this tool, right, this is a tool of data engineering. This graph is a tool of data engineering. We can see the middle one, B, shop B, has the highest price. That means it has the best quality of apples, so we will procure apples from here. So this is how we like we what to say, we get insights out of the data using tools like Tableau, Alteryx, okay, Excel. So we create insights out of the data using various tools. So in this course, we are trying to analyze, we are trying to get hold of all these tools so that we get a better understanding out of our data. So that's this course is all about. It's very simple. We will learn about all the tools one by one. We'll start with Tableau, and so we will go into deeper into it. Okay, any questions?
So this program is entirely about the full stack data analytics, or how come?
Yeah, it's all about the data analytics, analyzing the data and getting insights out of it. So we will do data engineering also into it, and also data analytics, so you can say full stack data analytics.
So if it is possible, can you walk through the content, the course curriculum, the tools that will be uh, taught in this particular program? So that will be easy for me and for everyone to understand.
Yeah, sure, just a minute.
And also, like, what is the major difference between data engineering and data analytics, like on a high level?
Yeah, see, on a high level, data engineering means when you work close to like SQL, like the things which we will be learning, SQL. Then you have the VBA macros, right? Data analytics, what people do is that they use different tools, and they will be like working on getting insights out of the data. And what is data engineering? Data engineering is preparing data for the data analytics people. Okay. So in this course, I'll just share my screen. In this course, you will be learning both about data analytics and data engineering. So data engineering is more about SQL, and let me share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So this is the basic content of our course. First, we will deep dive into Tableau. Okay, so we will get a flavor of what data analytics is all about. Then we will slowly go into the basics, from where like previously when people didn't have tools like Power BI and Tableau, they used to do everything in Excel. So we will do with Excel. We'll learn about the various formulas in Excel, how to, just now we did some visualization in Excel, so how more we can do the visualizations in Excel. So these are the various things, like various formulas, various functions which are used in Excel, pivot tables and all. So this will enhance your CV. You will be able to answer more questions in the interview. Then we will go deeper into it, like VBA macros. Okay. Then we will go into Power BI. So the next tool, right? Then Power BI is a tool from Excel only, Microsoft Excel only, but it's a different stack where we get to analyze the data just like in the Tableau. Okay. Then we will go into business statistics. So we will go into the theoretical part of the data, the statistics part of it. We will do the correlation analysis, regression analysis, and Bayes theorem, probability distributions, all this. Then we will move into SQL. The SQL part of it is the place where it makes a difference from a data analyst to a data engineer. So we will try to understand how the data is made, like how the data is engineered so that a data analyst can work on it. So we will try to create queries. We will also see how custom SQL can be used to create queries from Tableau directly. Like Tableau can handle data from views, right? Or it can also directly do a custom SQL query and get the data and analyze it. So we will learn about that. We will learn about the views, subqueries, the built-in functions in the SQL. Okay. We'll get to see how a SQL server works. Okay. Then we will go into Python. So Python can be used both. Python can be used in many ways. It can be used for a web browser also. It can be used for data science as well. So we will learn over here the basic fundamentals of Python, and then we will try to see how it is used in the data science. Then we will learn about Alteryx. Okay, so what is Alteryx? Alteryx is a tool for flow, like how the ETL tool, extract, transform, and load. What is that? It means that when we want to create a flow out of the data, like somewhere the like 5 Excels are to be joined. Again, we have to create a graph out of it. So we get the Excels joined and then give the graph to Tableau. So this joining, this extraction, loading, and transformation of the data is done by tools like Alteryx. Alteryx is one of the tools, and it's a very majorly used in the big four companies or 500 Fortune companies. So learning all these tools will enhance your CV and will help you out to give the best when you are in the interview. So these are the contents of the course. Any question? So that's it for the demo today. We'll shortly start the classes. Okay.
So
Right.
also just let me know like what is the duration of the program, what is the fee structure, what are the commitments like that. So please.
See, fee structure and all will be told by the admin people. Okay, I'm not the person to tell you. The course is
Okay.
for 2 months, 60 hours class. Okay.
Okay.
Rest you can get the information from the admin.
So do we get any other services like what we say? Since maximum of our students are in the United States, so how this program could be benefited for us? So
Yeah.
that's the one
So
point.
yeah. So the one thing is that I will be first of all helping out you to give your interview, right? So we will
Mhm.
have regular like demo sessions. Okay. So I will like help you out to see tell like you will have to tell something about yourself when you're going in the interview. So I will practice that those things for you, like what you need to tell, how to become more pro for an interview. So I will make you pro for an interview. I'll help you out in creating your resumes. Okay, all support you will get for which you which you require for cracking an interview in US. Okay, both the all types of interviews, like the screening interviews or the technical interviews. So we will help you out during the course, not that at the end of the course we are going to do that. We will be like every day we will be having sessions on that, as well as we will have the course materials done. Okay, so these are the things which will help you out to crack the interview.
Okay, so like, do we discuss the real-time projects or
Yes, we do
the
discuss the real-time projects. We will discuss real-time projects. We will do hands-on on the projects, and we will talk about the projects terms of interview as well. When the interview is told how to showcase your project, how to tell about your project, how to show the various aspects which are required. So all will be handled.
fine, fine.
Anybody
Just
else
last
has?
one question.
Yeah.
Just last first question I have. So like, are you guys the same like triple SIT from JNTU KPHB or you different one?
What's that?
Triple SIT or SSIT Technologies, the
Yes,
training
SSIT.
institute.
Yes, yeah, SSIT.
So you are based out from JNTU KPHB or whatever?
No,
Because
I'm
I
based
know.
out of. My colleagues may be based out of that. I am based out of India.
Okay, fine. Thanks. Just looking for others to ask the questions.
Yeah.
Also, how long will be the sessions per day?
It will be close to an hour.
Okay.
So if there are no more questions, we can close the meeting. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Pawan.